Welcome to English Life 24, where every word is a window and every sentence a step forward. Whether you're just beginning or finding your rhythm, this is your space to grow, to feel, and to speak from the heart. Let's learn English not just for exams, but for life, for love, for connection. Ready? Let's begin this journey together.
Hello. Welcome back. My name is Sarah. In part 1, I was afraid. In part 2, I continued. In part 3, I spoke with confidence. Now this is part 4. This part is about helping others. This part is about kindness. This part is about purpose. Part 1. I see my past in others. One day, I see a young woman. She is learning English. She speaks slowly. She looks nervous. Her hands shake. Her voice is quiet. I see fear in her eyes. I see myself. Part 2. People laugh again. She makes a mistake. Some people laugh. I hear the laughter. It sounds familiar. My heart feels heavy. I remember my past. People laughed at me too. Part 3. I make a choice. I have a choice. I can stay quiet or I can help. I choose to help. I walk closer. I smile. I listen carefully. Part 4. A kind voice. I say to her, "It's okay. You're doing well. Keep going." My voice is calm. My words are simple. She looks at me. She smiles. Part 5. The laughter stops. The laughter stops. People become quiet. Kindness is stronger than laughter. I feel proud, not because my English is good, but because my heart is kind. Part 6. I become a safe person. That day, I understand something. I am a safe person now. People can speak English with me. People can make mistakes with me. I do not laugh. I do not judge. I listen. Part 7. Helping in small ways. I say, "Try again." That's okay. You're learning. Small words, big meaning. Helping does not need perfection. Helping needs kindness. Part 8. My English has a purpose. Before, English was fear. Now, English has purpose. English helps me connect. English helps me support. English helps me lift others. My pain becomes strength. Part 9. I remember my journey. The fear, the laughter, the silence. I remember the tears, but I also remember courage. Everything had a reason. Part 10. Message to you. If you are learning English, listen to me. One day, you will help someone too. Your mistakes today will become your wisdom tomorrow. Do not stop. Part 11. Simple practice. Read aloud. I help others. I listen with care. I do not laugh. I am kind. Say it again. Part 12. Questions for you. Answer slowly. Do you help others? Do you listen without laughing? Do you want to be kind? Your answers matter. Part 13. Strong daily sentences. Repeat every day. I am kind. I am patient. I help others learn. I am proud of my journey. Part 14. English is a bridge. English is not just words. English is a bridge. A bridge between people, a bridge between cultures, a bridge between hearts. You are building this bridge. Part 15. A quiet strength. I am not loud. I do not shout. My strength is quiet. My confidence is calm. I know who I am. Part 16. I am thankful for my journey, even the hard parts. They taught me empathy. They taught me patience. They made me stronger. Part 17. The circle is complete. I was afraid. I was laughed at. I was silent. Now I help others. The circle is complete. Conclusion. People laughed at me. I was hurt. But I continued. Now I help others. I am Sarah. I am an English learner. I am kind, and I am proud. Thank you for sharing this moment with English Life 24, where language meets life and learning feels like home. If today's words touched your heart or helped your voice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, every day brings a new chance to speak your truth. So come back tomorrow. Your next English moment is waiting.